All right, welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Ilya for those who are new, and today we're going to be doing a how-to on making your own digital apparel products on Teespring. So let's start. Teespring is free. It's a completely free platform where you can make your t-shirts, mugs, uh, stickers, leggings. And so when I found out about this, I was like, oh, heck yeah, I need to go on here and make my own things. So that's what I did. And to start off, this is what your market store will look like. So you can have as many stores as you want, and you can name your store. When you create it, it's going to be like, so here I put my store name, and this is what it looks like. It already separates all your products based on the category: homeware, accessories. You have your about page. So let's just go in here and I can show you each category. So just so you have an idea of how to use it when you set up your own Teespring account. So you go here, you have your listings page. This is where it shows you your products that you are selling. And you can go in here, you can edit your products. Yeah, you can modify, you can check the statistics of it, you can duplicate. So let's go in here, modify. Don't worry, after I will show you how to create the t-shirt. But for now, since I'm already on this, I'm going to show you what everything looks like. I'm going backwards. I'm showing you what it looks like after you've already made it, and then I'm going to show you how to make it, the t-shirts and the other designs. So here you can write your title, description, the currency that of which your primary currency, and then your products. Here you can change the prices of everything, of each product. And then at the end, you save. Make sure to always save. Save here too. So this is where your listings will live. And here, showcases. These are your stores. So a showcase. Remember when we were on the homepage store just recently? This one. Well, you can create multiple of these. You can create this one, and you can cross-sell them. You can recommend this store when people are on your other store. And so it keeps the store specific to a niche. So my niche for this store is, I think, empowerment. So you can like have this niche, and then this niche can still be recommended to go here for whatever theme is related to. This one was for Father's Day apparel that I created. So that's that. Statistics. The statistics, they basically show you how your products are doing. Whether it's not selling at all, like I just started, but look, I'm doing terrible. I've made nothing from just starting. This, irrelevant. But basically, once you start making money, it shows you how much you've made. Again, I just started. But it's great. I've made so many products. It's amazing. It's going to be so much fun. Let's go to marketing. Here in marketing, you have Facebook, Twitter. You put down your links, and then it pops up. And you can use these to advertise your products. Boom, 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 boom. Integrations. Again, here you can add your YouTube, Twitch, Discord, whatever thing you have. Posts. Boom. This is where your posts lie. Messages, whatever. This is where you're going to find it. A lot of these you're going to figure out on your own. These are for promotions. Boom, you can promote your stuff. Okay, and the best part is if you're advertising your products on Instagram or any social media platform, you can be like, ooh, there's a promotion happening. You create your promo code, you type in whether it's a discount or whether it's gonna be free shipping. You put down the amount in dollars or percentage, and you put down when it expires. Boom, discount code. It comes down here, and then here it just shows how much money you're making. I'm keeping that private, but I think you already got a spoiler. I have $0 at the moment. So let's talk about starting a design. Boom. So it's going to take you to the design page where the magic begins. So here you are. You get to choose your product. It could be home appliances. It could be apparel, accessories. You choose whatever you want. But the best part is, whatever you choose, you can use the same design to make for everything. It automatically makes everything else for you. So let's just go to accessories. Let's say you make a fanny pack. Let's just go to fanny pack. Clickety click. There we go. Fanny pack. Boom. This is where it's going to bring you. You come here. You add the image from your file, whatever image you want to use. And then you add the text. Wow. Look how slow it's loading this fanny pack. The website is fast. It's just my internet is probably slow right now. So you can click on text and then boom, you add the text. You click I'm going to call it and if you have an image, you come here, you add an image. Let's go to pictures. And this image should be like transparent and everything so that it's makes for a perfect design, because this has to go through printing. So you want it to be of good quality. You want it to be PNG, transparent. Where are my PNG downloads? Where are they? Okay, let's just go here. I have so many images. We're going to find a PNG that I created here. I have made so many that I am so lost. Whatever this is, let's click on this as an example. Boom. This is one. Oh no. What happened there? Oh, what has it done? Reduce my image, please. Oh. Yeah, so let's just get rid of that. Let's try again. But you get the gist of it. You come in here, you add a PNG image. That image comes here, and then you can preview your product that you've created. This is going to take a while now, but basically, yes, whenever you need to add text, you click here, you add your text, you design that text, pop. You add your image from your computer file, and then you put the two together. So your design, you could have already made your design and then just upload that design from wherever you made it onto here, because it will be in your computer. And then you come here, you can choose the colors that you want your things to be. You can choose as many colors as you want when you go here. Okay, so right now this fanny pack is white. Let's actually just make it blue. Boom, blue. This looks so ugly right now. You can set your price. You can change that price. Let's make it $32. And because Teespring takes some of the money and they charge for shipping and all of this here is how much money you profit. So if you sell this for $32, you make $12.25 in profit. Still okay for not spending any money to create the product and let other people take care of almost all the rest of the work for you. I say that's a good deal. So you continue. Let's say you're happy with your product. That looks nice, doesn't it? You come here. You could also preview the product. So let's just go back just so I can show you what it's like to preview it. You can preview that just so you see what it would look like to the viewers as they're about to consider buying this product. It's going to take a lifetime to load actually with this current Wi-Fi situation. Wow, what do I pay for? Let's just continue. The preview is not that important. You're gonna see it. Here you see the preview anyways. So here is what is cool about this is the design you created is now on every other single product that is available. You have it on iPhone cases. You'll have it on stickers and tote bags and mugs. And you can select which ones you want to add to your sales. If you like the iPhone case and you want to sell those, you just you add it on there. It comes on here. It shows you how much profit you get. You can edit out the prices here, but you can also edit the prices after it's already been published. And you can do this through your settings that I showed you at the beginning of the video. So this is what that fanny pack look. It doesn't look that ugly actually, the one I made. So here you are. You can choose. Oh, and what's amazing is that you can come here and you decide, wow, I want this design on everything. Then you come here, you choose the apparel, you add it on apparel, boom, look at it, you got sweaters, you got shirts, you got all the goods. And look, it's slow again. So you can choose it on apparel, home appliances, and accessories. Okay, so it's up to you what you want to sell your design on. And at the end you can press continue. Let's say you're happy with all your products. You put in the title, the description. You have it'll give you a little URL for whenever you have the link of that product. You come, yes, you want it to be public, you want to sell this, so you want people to see it. And then you go publish, blah blah. I'm not going to go through all of that right now, but that's basically how you publish that. I'm not going to publish this thing. So that's that. I'm going to go back and show you one of my completed products that I have made on Teespring. Teespring works, by the way. It works great. I plan to start making money on this. It's amazing. Let's go to my listing again. And let's click on one of my products that I created. Let's go to support Black Lives. Oh, did you see those $0? Huh, it's okay. It's just the beginning. Everyone starts at the bottom. So here is one of the ones I've created. So I created support Black Lives, and I made it for appliances, apparel, bags, everything. I made it for everything, every single thing, because why not? Look at it, it's great. It's very simplistic, so your design can be as simplistic as possible. And so this is what the page will look like to viewers for the most part. So it's here's the shipping sticker. Here you pick your size, the amount you want, the color, and then they add it to cart, boom, and then they go to the finishing product. So let's just pretend now we're gonna buy this. I like this anyways, maybe I will buy it. And then you go to proceed to verification. See, look, it's already like asking you if you want other things that this guy created from that same design. So that's really cool. It's upselling for you. And apparently I'm also buying a mug from my other design that I made. Live at 100%. That's a cool mug. All right. Wow, that's a hefty total. Here is the problem. The delivery cost in Canadian dollars, $11.49 for delivery. So keep in mind, this is Canadian dollars. The Canadian dollar sucks. So here's the price of the item. This is the delivery fee, processing fee. This is the subtotal of what the person will be paying. And then normally, yeah, so blah, blah, blah. If you have a promo code, you add that promo code down here. It'll adjust the price for them. And they put in all their details right here. And then order and pay. Boom. And that's it. You're done. You don't have to do, well, you don't have to even do this part, because unless you're buying your own stuff. But For a customer, they come here, you don't have to deal with anything else, because the moment they buy it, your profits go into your account, and you will have set up your payment method with Teespring. That way you directly get your money. I think let me just see if I can go and show you how to add your payment information. If it lets me, please let me. Oh wow, this is great. Um, so you can use PayPal, and you can also use this. What is this weird? There's this weird one that they have on there. Let's see if it'll show it to me. But you can use PayPal gains. The gains. Is it this one? Go clickety click. Yeah, PayPal is the easiest thing to use. It doesn't matter what they pay on. It's more so how you want to receive your money. Whoops, it was settings. This just shows me when I have money. So, yes, here you choose your method of payment. So here is where you put in how you want to get your money. I put in PayPal. That's how I want to get my money. There's another one called Pioneer. Pioneer is for international people for the most part, but you have Pioneer, and this can get your money sent directly into your bank account, or you have PayPal. So there you have it. This is how to create a Teespring account to sell digital products. With Teespring, you do need to advertise your products yourself until you have at least a few sales. Once you've made a few sales yourself, then Teespring starts working for you, and they start promoting your products like crazy, and then they start helping you make money passively. So first, get your few sales and then start making money. What you can do is partner up with other people in the comments. Maybe write down your link to your Teespring in the comments, and perhaps people can purchase something from your store, and you do the same for them. That way you guys can be each other's first sales, and then you can after that, Teespring will start promoting your products for you. So this is a great way to work together and get Teespring to start helping you out by promoting your products, and then all of a sudden your entire Teespring store becomes passive, and you've already made your products, you've already done the work. You just start making the cash money. Or you can keep promoting yourself just to make money quicker, like on Instagram and Facebook, things like this. So there you have it. These are all the options laid out for you. I will put my Teespring link down in the bio, wherever, it'll be there. So feel free to check out the rest of my Teespring and how it looks, and you can use my Teespring as an example. And if you want to support my Teespring, you can purchase something from my store. Maybe you can be the first buyer and get me to that place that I want to be, whereas Teespring promoting my things for me. So please help me. If not, you're also helping me by clicking that like button and also subscribing. It helps me, and it makes me feel better about myself. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Enjoy creating your products, have fun, make the best, coolest product ever. I'm looking forward to looking at your Teespring site. Bye.